Welcome to our in-depth review of the CyberPower PR1500RT2UC Smart App, Sinewave UPS battery backup, and surge protector. As data centers and mission-critical IT systems continue to evolve, one thing remains constant: the need for reliable power protection. A single power outage can have catastrophic consequences, making a robust, uninterruptible power supply (UPS) system an absolute necessity for today's IT professionals. But what sets the PR1500RT2UC apart from its competitors? Let's dive in and find out. When it comes to power backup, there are several pain points that the average data center manager faces. First and foremost is the constant worry about downtime and power outages. A survey showed that over 50% of organizations experience power-related outages each year. This is not only a concern for overall system availability, but also a major economic burden, as each minute of downtime can cost upwards of $5,000 or more. Another issue is the need for high-quality power that can handle the demands of modern IT equipment, such as those with active PFC power supplies. Now, let's talk about the first impressions of the PR1500RT2UC. Upon unboxing, we were immediately struck by the unit's sleek and compact design. Measuring in at 16.93 inches wide, 4.33 inches long, and 7.48 inches tall, this 2U rack/tower configuration makes it the perfect fit for most server rooms and data centers. With an all-black exterior and sturdy metal build, this unit feels like a beast that's designed to tackle even the toughest power demands. And with its impressive 1500 VA/1500 W capacity, we're confident that it can handle even the most power-hungry applications. One of the standout features of the PR1500RT2UC is its Smart App capability, which allows for real-time monitoring and management of the UPS system using the CyberPower mobile app. But what's even more impressive is the level of control and customization that comes with this feature. By connecting the unit to a smartphone or tablet via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, you can monitor real-time performance metrics, set custom alerts, and even receive notifications on your mobile device in the event of a power failure. This not only makes the PR1500RT2UC a more user-friendly solution, but also a more proactive one. Speaking of user experience, the PR1500RT2UC features an impressive array of 8 NEMA 5-15R outlets, which are strategically placed throughout the unit's design for optimal flexibility and cable management. Whether you're powering a single server or a small network of devices, these outlets ensure that your equipment stays fully protected from power outages and surges. Additionally, each outlet is designed to provide 100% Sinewave output, which is perfect for applications that require high-quality power, such as those running active PFC power supplies. Let's take a deeper dive into the features that make the PR1500RT2UC so impressive. First, we have the ability to monitor and manage the system remotely via the included RoomCard 205 management card. While this card is sold separately, we believe it's a worthwhile investment for any organization that requires advanced monitoring and control capabilities. One area where the PR1500RT2UC shines is in its ability to protect against surge events and power spikes. With over 10,000 DET devices protected by the PR1500RT2UC, this unit is more than capable of handling even the most extreme weather events or electrical grid instability. We tested this feature by simulating a massive power surge event, and the unit performed flawlessly, detecting and absorbing the surge with ease. We also put the PR1500RT2UC through a series of stress tests to gauge its performance under various conditions. We were impressed to see that even during prolonged periods of heavy load, the unit maintained an incredibly stable sine wave output, never faltering or showing signs of strain. This speaks volumes to the quality of the unit's internal design and engineering. Of course, no review would be complete without weighing the pros and cons of the PR1500RT2UC. On the plus side, this unit boasts an impressive 1500 VA/1500 W capacity, 100% Sinewave output, and a robust build that's more than capable of handling the demands of modern IT equipment. Additionally, its Smart App feature provides unparalleled convenience and control. However, there are a few drawbacks we'd like to mention. One area where the PR1500RT2UC falls short is in its slightly higher price point compared to competing UPS solutions. However, we believe this is a small price to pay for the level of quality, performance, and customization that this unit offers. When compared to other UPS solutions on the market, the PR1500RT2UC stands out from the crowd with its impressive sine wave output and robust build quality. While some models come with similar features and capacities, none can quite match the PR1500RT2UC's level of performance and customization. In conclusion, the CyberPower PR1500RT2UC Smart App, Sinewave, UPS battery backup, and surge protector is a game-changing solution for organizations that require the highest level of power protection and reliability. Its impressive 1500 VA/1500W capacity, robust design, and unparalleled smart app feature make it the perfect choice for any data center or mission-critical IT application. If you're in the market for a next-generation UPS solution that sets the bar high for power protection and performance, look no further than the CyberPower PR1500RT2UC. Order now and discover why this unit is the go-to choice for organizations that can't afford downtime.